Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 42 of Build the Iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the post-apocalyptic edition, folks. Yes, this is the 1/8 scale V8 Interceptor from the Mad Max movie franchise, folks, from our good old pals over at Hachette Partwork. Now, if you'd like this for yourself and build along with me, head over to Hachette's website. There's a clickable link in the description below. You too can be building one of these. Let's have a quick scoop through this week's magazine. Stage 42, the transmission shaft. We've got two parts of the transmission shaft to join together, and then they'll be fitted to the model. That's where it's going, underneath there. We've also got the transmission support beam, showing you how it goes together there. We'll then be attaching it underneath our chassis. So we'll need our chassis section in, folks. And then also we'll be putting the bottom part of the gearbox in as well, folks, and mounting that to the chassis, okay? And this is what we're going to end up with at the end of today. Our rolling chassis is going to have the prop shaft and the gearbox stuck underneath it, okay? Transformers 2007 there. Nice Chevrolet there, looking rather sexy. So, without any delay, let's get this together and start building this transmission. Right, so I'm going to be putting both halves of this together with PS 14 screws, folks, okay? We'll have a bit of oil on the first one. Plenty of oil in that case. And then we'll be pressing these together. So we want it that way round, like that. Put a screw in the middle and start that rolling. I'm not going to fully tighten them yet, just in case I need any adjustment. Again, a bit more oil. Then I can pinch that together that way around and feed that in. Now I can fully home this one. Work my way along, fully home the middle one. And then that leaves me just the end screw to go in. Same process, bit of oil. And then pinch it together. And screw that in place. Just like so. Right, so we want that to go in with PS screws, so let's cut a thread before we mount these, I think. Just makes it easier. Like that. And then we do another thread on the other side. Just makes it so much easier when it comes to fit this, because I've already pre-cut the threads, folks. Like that. Right. Let's grab our chassis and bring that in place. And we want the prop shaft to go that way round, like that. Okay. deftly there you go, that one went in. Let's grab another screw, deft bit of oil, and then do the same over here. There you go. So that's that in place, as you can see. Looking rather nice, isn't it? We then want to grab a pair of DS2 screws. Let's bring them down there for a moment. Let's bring these right down here. Because we got now our gearbox going in, which is there. We just want to line that up, line the post up at the back there, and again, whilst trying to pinch it in situ, we want to line our holes up. Like that. So that's the first one in. Do the second one and then we can fully tighten them. Like so. Like that, there you go. Perfect. So that's that gearbox in. We then want to pop our little gearbox mount in as well, folks, okay? Let's grab that. We want one of the PS screws ready to go so that we can cut the threads in this. So let's pop a bit of oil on the end there. We can cut them threads now. Just makes it a little easier when it comes to screwing it together, because it's already got a thread in it, see? Just something I've been doing since I've been building the Partworks. Just personal preference, but it makes it a lot easier for me. And you never know, it might make it easier for you. There you go. And because I've got that thread, they're both already oiled. So I've literally just got to pop my hand up underneath. And then we can get that screw in first. Like so. Turn the whole chassis around. Rest it down there for a minute. Now we've got to go between the wires on this one, folks, okay? So it might be a bit difficult to see the hole at first. I've got to tilt mine through so that I can see it in the light. But it's just buried in there. But it will go. There you go. That's it. And you just move your wires back then. And that is that all done. So we can just turn that over so you can see what we've been up to today. There is our gearbox and our propeller shaft all in place there. Okay, folks? So don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build along with me, head over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link in the description below, and you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful Mad Max car. Also, to help me out, if you can give a little Festa a click in the corner and subscribe to the channel, helps me grow the channel. Whilst you're there, ring the bell. That will notify you of upcoming future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye.